Video we'll see how to fix slow Windows problem in Windows 11. So let's get started. Just go to search and search for power and sleep settings. Now just go to additional power settings. Now just go to create a power plan. Now click on high performance and just type in a name high performance and click on next and create. So now this one will change the performance of the computer to high performance. Now just close this, go to search and just type in task manager. Now open this task manager and click on more details. Just go to startup and just disable high resource consumption apps that you don't need. So I'll disable Microsoft Edge, OneDrive. Yeah, that is it. And now I'll close this. Now go to search and just search for defragmentation and optimized drive. Now click on C drive and click on optimize. So this will take some time, so let it happen. Now once this is done, just close this and go to this PC and right click on your C drive and click on properties. Now just click on disk cleanup. Now just click on cleanup system files. Now click on OK. Now just close this. Okay, so the cleanup is still being on. So click on OK and click on delete files. Now it is done. So now go to search and just type in system settings and just go to settings, then go to system. Now scroll down and go to about and go to advanced settings. Now just go to performance settings. Now just click on adjust for best performance and click on apply and click on OK. Now close this. Now press Windows and R and just type in %temp %. Now select all of this and click on delete. We can skip this one and yeah. Now again press Windows and R. Now type in temp without the percentage. Click on continue. Now select all and click on delete. So now your Windows 11 PC must be working smooth. So this was all on how to fix the slow PC problem in Windows 11. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.